Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about Avax price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. Avax by USD, try to push it to the yellow one first, upper band on the 109 US dollar. If they can go up, then it will go to the next one on the 110 US dollar. For the moving average also already hit on the moving average 7. On the 105 US dollar, try to go up again, go to the 110 US dollar. If they drop, go to the pink one side here, moving average 25 on the 97.64 US dollar. So still having opportunity, yes. If the price is above 105, still try to make the other way to 110. RSI stochastic still on the natural position, not overbought, not oversold. For the daily chart, basically is first day having a little bit correction, like previous already 2 days having going so up 110, and now is correction until only 104. But if the price is still above 97, they're still having opportunity to go up and getting higher. For the Bollinger Band here is already break from the upper band going down in the 104. If they go down again, having correction again, then the pink one side here, middle band here 83 until 90, right? Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can enter the market at slightly 70 until 85. Thank you everyone.